Hi everybody, it's me Karen at the Mom Trotter. I'm packing for a trip. I've been wanting to do a packing video for so long. I pack last minute, usually like a couple of hours before we leave. So I never get a chance to kind of show you guys how we pack. The funny thing is, it's actually like 9 o'clock right now and our flight is like at 11. So I need to pack this up like really quick because we're heading to Orlando for 2 weeks. So as you can see on the left, I have one of the boys' clothes, Ethan's, and on the right I have Aiden's. And I have, this is what I use, packing cubes. I use the Shake Pack, I love them. They're really good, really sturdy. So I have one of the small shake packs, and then I have like a bigger one, bigger packing cube, so 2 packing cubes. And then Ethan has the same. He has like a smaller packing cube, and then kind of like a medium-sized packing cube. So this packing cube comes in a set of 4, but I only need 2 because we're traveling with backpacks only. So as you can see right here, this is Aiden's backpack, and this is Ethan's backpack. So I need to make sure that everything on this table can fit in this packing cube, in this and this. So I start off with, so as you can see here, I have shirts. These are shirts, more shirts. I have pajamas. Right here is underwear. I have belts, some socks. I have some undershirts. And then in the back, I have a bunch of shorts and a pair of pants. And as you can see back here, this is what they're gonna wear to travel. I usually like put it and hang it like on the side so that when it's time for them to get dressed, they'll just grab it and put it on. So their clothes that they're gonna wear, I hang them on the side. They're wearing their Eat, Sleep, Travel, Repeat shirts. They love wearing these shirts. So as you can see, Ethan loves green and Aiden blue, so everything's like green and blue here. And then what else do I put in their bags? Okay, this is one more thing that I'm gonna put in their bags. They're toiletry bags. They have a mouthwash, body wash, a deodorant in there. What else is in there? Hand sanitizer, toothbrush, and like a little loofah inside. So this is all like their body wash and stuff. And it goes in this clear bag. So everything in this bag is TSA approved, so this is all going in their backpacks and we can get on the plane with it. So anyway, so let's start. I'm gonna start with this one first. This looks like a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna make it fit in this and this, so here are the shorts. Sometimes I put them in there like that when I'm packing. I just kind of put them in the packing cube. If I'm packing a lot more stuff, what I do is I roll it up like this, and when you roll it up, it kind of gives you more room to put more things in there. So it just really depends on how much I'm packing. So sometimes I'll roll it up like this, put it inside, roll it up. So as you can see, I put all the shorts in and I still have half of the packing cube empty. So then I'm just gonna grab the shirts. I don't really need to roll them up. I can put the shirts in here like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. One last pair of shorts or pants. I'm gonna put it in here. And then I zip it up. You see that? All done. So all their shirts and shorts, everything is in here. So now I'm gonna get the smaller packing cube and I'm gonna put in underwear, socks, belt, sleeping cap, pajamas. I've got swim trunks, and I've got 2 undershirts. So as you can see, I packed for 2 weeks. I've got this and I've got this, and I'm good to go. So, where's Aiden's backpack? I'm gonna grab his backpack right here. I'm gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna put this one inside also. And then I'm gonna get his toiletry pack, which is this one, and I'm gonna put it in here. And once I zip it up, look at that. He's good to go. So now I'm gonna move over to Ethan's. This one's a little bit tighter, but everything fits in here. And everything fits in here. So yeah, that's about it. Now we're good to go. So the boys are just gonna grab their backpacks and we're gonna head off to the airport. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about packing or what their backpacks are, or about packing cubes, just let me know. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Okay?